Filtering your order data in Google Sheets just got easier with the latest FlexOrder update. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for FlexOrder, install it, and activate the plugin. To access the order filter feature, make sure you've activated the Pro version of FlexOrder. Next, go to your FlexOrder settings and turn on the new option called Allow Filtering Google Sheets. Once that's enabled, you'll notice a new filtering option appear. For this video, let's try filtering by order status. You can select one or multiple order statuses that you want to show up in your Google Sheet. Once you've made your selection, click Save to confirm your changes. Now head over to your connected Google Sheet. Just like that, you'll only see the orders that match the statuses you picked. Super simple, super clean. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new FlexOrder features.